My dear viewers, now discuss what is thermal decomposition reaction. Give the example. A thermal decomposition reaction is a chemical process where a single substance breaks down into two or more simpler substances when heated. Now, when chemical part, that is the chemical reaction, calcium carbonate, that is limestone calcium carbonate CaCO3 is heated. It breaks down into calcium oxide, that is lime calcium oxide CaO, and carbon dioxide, that is CO2. That is the chemical equation: calcium carbonate CaCO3 solid part, applied heat form lime calcium oxide CaO solid, and gas carbon dioxide CO2 gas. Okay, thank you.